everyone, welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we're going to be making this 5 as part of our numbers series. If you're interested in pairing this with any other number, then please check the links in the description as I have numbers there that should be roughly the same size and font. For this project, you're going to need a size G or 6 crochet hook and some size 4 medium weight acrylic yarn. To begin, go ahead and attach the yarn to your crochet hook and chain 6. Once you have your 6 chains, go ahead and turn them over so that you're looking at the back bumps back here. And what we're going to do is we're going to place a double crochet starting in the third back bump from our crochet hook, and then we're going to continue to place those for the rest of the row. Once you have your 4 double crochets placed, go ahead and chain 3. From here, we're going to place 1 single crochet in the back loop only of the second chain from our hook, and then also in the next chain right there. Then we're simply going to go right here and we're going to place a slip stitch in this stitch and the stitch beside it. Just like that. Now go ahead and turn your work. And from here we're going to skip these first 2 stitches, and then going right into that third stitch from our crochet hook, we're going to place a single crochet. And then a single crochet in the next stitch. From here, go ahead and chain 3, and working in the back bump area in that first chain here, we're going to place 14 double crochets. Once you get done, it should look something like this. So go ahead and take this top portion and flip it up like that. Now, looking down the side here, you'll see the original 3 chains that we created in row 2 right here. So go ahead and insert your hook into that third chain, which is right here. And all we're going to do is place a slip stitch. From here, go ahead and tie off your yarn, and you have created your 5. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were trying to crochet this, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.